Hey friends, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy-centric channel. In this video, I will tell you about the tetanus toxoid vaccine that is given during pregnancy. Why is it given to a pregnant woman and why it is very much essential to be given to a pregnant woman on time. Friends, during pregnancy, your body goes through lots of changes and these changes may be good or may be bad for you at times. So this is the need of the hour to protect the mother and the baby from all the vulnerable diseases that a pregnant woman is always at the risk of. One of a very common problem or infection you can say is tetanus that can be transferred from mother to the fetus, and this is a fatal situation for the baby inside the womb. In case a mother is infected with these bacteria, it can easily be transmitted to the baby. Now let's understand how this bacteria enters a mother's baby. It could be a very small scratch, or it could be a bite, a burn, or a deep wound. From any of these incidents, this bacteria can enter the body of the mother and they produce toxin in the blood, and that blood ultimately reaches to the baby, and so the baby is also infected with the same bacteria. So this is the priority of a mother to understand that whensoever she is having any such of incident like wounds and cuts, because if a pregnant woman is infected with tetanus, then you would be noticing some of the changes and the signs that you should be aware of. The number one sign is your neck will get stiff. Number two is you will have difficulty in swallowing anything. You will have the tightening of the muscles in your abdomen area. There is a possibility of the fractures in the spine. You will feel some sort of contractions in the muscles that are present in the jaw. Apart from all these, you can have fever, you can have sweating, you will feel fatigue, your blood pressure will go up, that is the high blood pressure problem can come, and your heart rate will also increase tremendously. So these are the symptoms. If you're diagnosed with a tetanus, you will show up all these signs. Tetanus is not at all good for mother as well as it is not at all good for the baby in the womb. It is highly fatal and it could be life threatening condition. If it's your first pregnancy, then there is a different time and a different dose of tetanus that will be given to you. And if it is your second pregnancy, then the doses and the time will be different. You need to understand that you should be talking about it with your gynecologist to have it injected well before the time so that you can save your baby from this tetanus bacteria. It is highly important because once your baby comes out after their delivery, then he is more prone to the diseases, the bacteria, and the viruses. So, to immune your baby is your responsibility. Kindly take it very seriously. So, friends, this was all about tetanus during pregnancy in this video. Hope you have liked this is small information. If you like it, kindly press the like button. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to press the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon and then select all to get notified of all the notifications well on time. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this video. Let's catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.